This video covers Project Stakeholders Management knowledge area. This is the 10th knowledge area and chapter number 13 as per PMBOK 5.0. Also, this is the last chapter that we would be covering. In this video, we first talk about the definition of the stakeholders and the objective of the processes in this knowledge area. Then, we would go through the processes in this knowledge area one by one, which are Identify Stakeholders, Plan Stakeholder Management, Manage Stakeholder Engagement, and Control Stakeholder Engagement. Let's spend some time on this table again. We would learn the objective of the processes in this knowledge area in brief. But before that, let's do a recap of all the processes that we have learned so far. Let's also concentrate on the sequence of processes as they occur from the beginning till the end of the project. We said earlier that we start a project with a contract and a SOW. This was further elaborated in the procurement management knowledge area, where we mentioned that as soon a procurement decision is taken, the project manager or the project management team selects a suitable type of contract and also creates the statement of the work which is part of the project. If we apply the same concept for the initiation of the project, from performing organization's point of view, we can say that an agreement or a contract is created by the sponsor or the customer prior to initiation of the project, and the SOW comes as an integrated part of the contract. Based on these procurement documents, we initiate the project. The very first document in the project management lifecycle is a project charter. That's the objective of the process number 4.1, which is the first process in project management lifecycle. The project charter is created by the sponsor for in-house projects and by the customer if it's a vendor-supplier related project. The charter recognizes the existence of the project and declares the project as open. It also recognizes the existence of the project manager who can now spend the organizational resources on the project. Next, we identify all the stakeholders as part of process number 13.1, Identify Stakeholders. The outcome of this process is a stakeholder register, which not only identifies the stakeholder but also analyzes the stakeholders in terms of their level of influence and their impact on the project. So these are the two processes we have in initiation process group. Next, as part of the planning process group, we create the management plans for all the knowledge areas in parallel. We have a management plan creation process as part of every knowledge area, like we have plan scope management, plan schedule management, plan cost management, plan quality management, and so on. This is planning for the planning. That is, we do not really do the actual project planning as part of the management plan creation processes. We rather identify how exactly the processes in that particular knowledge area would we handle. For example, plan scope management will not define the scope, neither we will create a scope statement. We would rather define and document guidelines such as how the requirements should be collected from the stakeholders, What are the techniques or methods we would use for defining scope and creating WB? Thank you for watching this video. You were watching a short snippet of the full-length videos. Please visit our website www.whizlabs.com to view the full videos and take a sample practice test. You can also contact us by any of the following means. All the best.